What's going on YouTube? Another video, another vlog. It looks like my intake from Injen came in, and then I also got a little surprise going on for the steering wheel. Originally, I was going to change the steering wheel to a Euro BMW steering wheel, but I kind of like how small this Momo steering wheel is. The only thing I don't like about it is the Momo decal. Again, that wouldn't bother most people, but it's one of those things where I kind of like that OEM to OEM plus look. So my plan is I bought a new replacement horn, and hopefully that fits, and it should go into the direct spot where the Momo logo is, and it's a BMW logo. It looks perfect. I already got it. I love it. So we'll see if it installs and it looks right. And then let's see if this cold air intake, or technically short ram intake, does anything for the car. Well, I know it won't do anything performance-wise. I'm talking about that noise. That's all I'm interested in. I mean, if it gives me a bump in power, sweet. But that noise, let's go. Alright guys, so take a look at the steering wheel. See how it looks very aftermarket? I don't like the chrome bolts. I don't like the Momo horn button, but the competition is dope. Everything else is black and clean. So I'm like, why am I going to spend another $300-$400 just to get a steering wheel that looks more OEM? Why not try to see if I can make this look more OEM? So I got this horn that's going to replace the Momo steering wheel horn. And then I got these black bolts to replace the silver ones. The black bolts plus the BMW, shoo! Is straight up going to clean spec, people. Clean spec. That's how we like it. Alright guys, this is the wiring. I'm going to hold the bolts. This is the wiring that's connecting for the horn. Looks like a very basic, simple setup. 2 wires. And I got the same spots on the BMW logo horn. So this is going to be nice and easy. What'd you think? You know we got to be anal with this, bro. Yeah, it looks good, bro. Oh my god. Better than that. Yeah, show the before and after, bro. Damn, look at that OEM Plus look. Damn. Alright guys, so the ring comes with a little clip that you're supposed to attach, and then the horn itself has a little attachment. You plug both of those. Oh, you have to probably put it on. Chris, does it work? I'm just kidding. That was the cheapest shit I bought. I take pride in that shit.
I don't think it matters because it's just making a contact.
Woo! It works. We're just crimping the wire a little tighter so that way the fitment is nice and it doesn't fall out and we have to take everything off. Not like it's hard to remove anyway, guys. But
you don't like the contrast?
Do you? I mean, I like the black though. I like it clean. Because I think that's what I didn't like about the steering wheel. Is just it looked very aftermarket with this one. Oh, boys, look at this finished product. I mean, this is that OEM Plus finish I'm talking about. Without having to spend too much money, just get the job done, but it's got to look good. I won't put anything on, you know what I mean? It's got to be clean, and it is clean. Oh, shit. That looks so OEM Plus, Chris. It's ridiculous. It's from Turner Motorsports. Guys, I went with the Injen intake. I know everyone chooses the AFE, but I saved $150, so sue me. But the reason why I'm changing it, besides the noise and slight performance, I guess if you want to call it, this is broken right here. I was going to buy a replacement OEM intake because I wanted to keep it OEM fresh, but the OEM intake is so damn expensive, it's like, might as well get a bump in sound and power and call it a day. So, we're unboxing it. It comes packaged really well. Oh, it's a black heat shield. I thought I was going to get it powder coated. We're good. Damn. Wait, is that the bottom base or the top? That's the bottom base. We got to see what the top heat shield is. Yeah, because we got to see what the top heat shield. Oh my god, dude. E36 is flexing right now. The dual intake system? Nah, it's a different one. I wish. Oh, it's gonna be chrome. It's chrome, right? It's chrome. It's okay. I'm gonna get it painted. It's actually a nice color. What do you think? Do you think I should? All right, we'll see how it looks, guys. I'm not fully decided on it. I'm a really anal person when it comes to colors, and I don't want to add too many different things. That's why I was really picky about my intake because I didn't want too many different colors going in the engine bay. I wanted to be clean as shit. So I'm happy with my choice. Now I got to decide if I'm going crazy with the powder coat on that top heat shield. That's another reason why I like the engine. It looks like good quality. We'll only find out once we install it. Guys, in case you guys are wondering, that's the cost for an engine intake. $252 plus shipping and tax. Well, shipping was free. $267. Okay. AFB on the best day with the discount was $350, so I saved $100. If you guys all tell me it doesn't make horsepower, don't complain about what brand I picked. Okay, let's go.
Motor color.
You're right. All right, Chris convinced me. I'm not gonna powder coat it. I'm keeping it as is. He's saying add some damn contrast, you idiot. It looks good. I'm not gonna lie, I love the finished look now. It is so clean. Oh my God, is she gonna make more noise? Who knows? We'll let you know. But man, honestly, this engine fitment and everything is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, for the price, very happy. They thought of everything like they should, but they're not just selling a crap product. You can kind of see the intake peeking for us, ready to make some noise. Sweet. That was the quickest install day. Quickest install day ever. Intake and horn done. Boom, done. All right, guys, the install is all done. Happy to report everything went off without a hitch. The horn, the intake, simple stuff, but it's the small things that counts, the little details. I'm loving the deep bassy tone, and I know it doesn't make extra power. I'm sure it's placebo, but the car does feel more free-flowing, if that makes sense. It just kind of glides a little bit more through the RPM. I'm not saying I'm pulling harder or anything like that, but there's just a level of smoothness that just came, I know, from a simple intake install. I'm not saying, oh man, it's the best money I ever spent, but I am saying that having the chance, if I could do it all over again, I'd buy the same intake. I have no problem with it. So let's see. Wow. That sounds amazing. That sounds amazing, guys. Sorry, the alignment is a little off because, you know, we just did the Apex wheels and the full suspension overhaul, and you guys will see videos of that already. But once I get the alignment and the fender roll, this thing is ready to drive. Wow, I love the way it sounds. Woo! Deep tone, very deep tone. I like it. The intake is not hissing or anything. It just sounds great. Wow, that's a great sound. Man, UUC exhaust plus engine intake are the only mods you need to do to this car, because there's no point in searching for horsepower. It's all motor. It is what it is. What's the point of straining the motor when you can just have a healthy, happy OEM style motor that does just as good? Man, it is awesome. I hope you guys can hear me through the wind. I wanted to open the window so you can actually hear it. Let's see, maybe with the windows closed, it's a different tone. We'll see. We'll see how quiet it is from the inside. All right, we're going for it. Wow, this thing's That's just naturally pulling. I'm not saying from the intake, but wow, I love this car, man. So freaking light. It's so fun. Keep talking about finishing it off and getting it perfect and getting rid of it, but every time I drive it, guys, it's like I don't want to get rid of it. All this rattling you're hearing is boxes in the car, guys. This car is freaking quiet as a whistle. I'm telling, well, quiet as a whistle. This car is quiet as hell. The only reason why you're hearing all these rattling is because I have like 3-4 boxes of car parts and old stock parts and everything that's just rattling around the car. But I guarantee you this car is OEM quiet from back in the day, quiet, 1997. So I just got home, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. You know, I'm really trying to keep you guys posted, keep you guys in the loop. I have a job that takes up most of my time, and then I have a baby. I have another baby coming in March. So if anyone's watching and following along, that's 2 boys. 2 boys, guys. I'm really happy. I'm excited. I can't wait. But time is definitely getting smaller and smaller and smaller. But I'm trying to make it work, guys, because I want to make this work, because I like where this is heading, and I do like doing this on the regular. It's just you gotta pay bills too, so you gotta work, and you gotta do the life thing, right? You gotta hang out with everybody, do everything. So there's a lot of things going on, but if you like doing it, challenge yourself and keep trying. That's all I can say. I mean, there's never a guarantee, so might as well try.